Eggplant patties are Filipino eggplant recipe and is made of eggplant, onion, garlic, all-purpose flour, eggs, salt and pepper and oil. These eggplant patties are healthy, scrumptious and good for any meal, partnered with your favorite dipping sauce. Follow this recipe to make these eggplant patties in your home. How to prepare the eggplant? In this recipe, eggplants are pre-cooked before chopping. There are different ways to cook the eggplant before adding it to the other ingredients. Boiling. First, boil some water in a pan. Once boiling, add the eggplant. Cook until the eggplant skin changes color, from purple to brown. After boiling, it should be easier to peel the skin, but you have to do it while it's still hot. Grilling. If you have a griller, grilling the eggplant can be a good option too. Just grill until the skin is charred, then peel the skin right away. What I usually do when I in a hurry is that I cook it in a stovetop. I heat it directly from the stove. Baking. You can also bake this. Preheat your oven to 180°C. Bake for 15 to 20 minutes until the skin turns color. Peel the eggplant right away. Eggplant patties recipe. This eggplant patties recipe will guide you to make most wonderful eggplant patties. If you are came here with how do you make eggplant patties, then this eggplant patties recipe will guide you step by step to make a delicious eggplant patties. Eggplants are rich in fiber and antioxidants. A serving of eggplant can provide at least 5% of a person's daily requirement of fiber, copper, manganese, B6, and thiamine. It also contains other vitamins and minerals. In addition, eggplants are a source of phenolic compounds that act as antioxidants.